Andrea Hernandez coming to you with technology piece number 3. The next one I am going to talk to you about is for our teachers. It's called Classroom Screen. I selected this resource because many of us have smart boards in our classroom or projectors, and it's just a way to make it more user-friendly and something to actually support the activities within our classroom. So I'm going to take a few minutes and just set you up for it. So this is for the classroom teachers. Standards are for educators to facilitate a culture where students will take ownership of their learning goals and outcomes in both independent and group settings, and also for the connected learner to stay current on emerging technologies for learning, innovations in pedagogy, and advancements in learning. So I'm going to just jump over to the step-by-step guide. There's the resources for you really quickly on Classroom Screen. So we're going to navigate over to classroomscreen.com, and I'm starting this from the beginning so you can see just how simple it is. You can sign up for a free account. I've just been clicking the launch now, but I love it so much I will get a free account. Gives you a background. If you don't love that, you can go over here. Has some photos there. You can upload your own photo. They have animated photos, which I really love this one, but because it's winter, I think this one is so appropriate for as we're going back to the classroom right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the calendar. And then I want to add the clock. My kids don't know a 24-hour clock, so I'm going to just flip that over. All right, so it looks like we've got the clock there. Now I'm going to go ahead and click timer because sometimes I have my kids work and say, I'm going to give you 10 minutes to work on this independently, and then we're going to pair up to continue working, and you can collaborate with a partner. We do that a lot for our English language learners. So I'll give them a set time, 10 minutes, and you can easily change this up and down. Then just click start or the play button. And it gives them not only the countdown, but there's this great visual here that they can see. So I really love that. One thing, because I do so much group work, they have this thing called sound level. You just have to activate your microphone with it, as I've already done. You select your sensitivity and how loud you want your classroom to get. Once it gets so loud, if you slide this button over, it will make a sound. I'm going to turn that back off. They also have a great visual for those younger learners. It's got the stoplight, and the teacher can either walk by and click it, or if you have this sound on, it will activate with that as well. So I really love that for the younger learners. They have QR codes. You can draw on something. They have a text box if you want to add what materials they'll need for class. And then they just know textbook, laptop, pencil, and then they'll work on Google Classroom. And you can just drag this wherever. I would probably not be using this timer at the time, so you can just hit X there and it'll leave, and then you can just drag this over here to where you want it, and you're good to go. So you can have as much or as little on this. I really think it has great potential because it's functional. It's something that can actually help you as a classroom teacher rather than just have your board up there with a pretty design. I know I'm guilty of that. So this seems really useful to me at all levels. Just love it.